Here's Nicole in action. We just finished making Play-Doh, and we made, I don't know if it's going to come out very well, but this is an imprint of her hand. Let's see, maybe over here. Here's Nicole's hand. And now Nicole is making her own concoction of Play-Doh with water and leftover flour. She's having lots and lots of fun. Can you say hi, Nicole? Hi. Can you say hi? Nicole.
Hi.
Can you say pineapple?
Pineapple.
Can you say Hawaii? Can you say Logan?
Yeah.
Can you say I love you? Say bye-bye.